Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video I showed you how to draft a high-waisted female pants, and today I'm going to show you how to put it all together quick and easy. My front pattern, both pieces, back, both pieces as well, my waistband, and I have it already interfaced, my zipper fly and shield, my zipper, and these are my pockets. So pockets I didn't show you last time, so I'm going to do that quickly. And we have 4 pieces. These are 2 pieces, and I have the other 2 pieces underneath my front pattern. I don't know if you could see this line here, but I came from the edge of my pants, I came in 2 inches and I came down 6 inches. And I wasn't sure if I wanted a curve or a straight line, but I think I'm just going to go with a straight line. And now I'm going to cut that off. Notice the two of my pocket pieces are underneath the pants. Okay, so that is what I just cut off. Alright, so now we can assemble our pants. So I'm going to speed through this because I already have a video where I showed you this on my channel. The only difference between this pants and another pants is the fact that this is a high-waisted pants. This pants also has darts, and let me show you what to do for your darts. Of course, when I was doing sewing earlier, I would take I think it's like a chalk type paper and put it between. So put the wrong sides to wrong sides and put the chalk paper in between and take the tracing wheel and then go through over the darts. But another tip would be just use your thread. And so I could pull the thread out because I don't need it anymore. And I have my darts on both sides. So I'm going to pin up all of my darts, and then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew my darts, and then I will show you the next step. Now that I have all of my darts sewn in place, I'm going to tie them off, and this is just to prevent puckers. 2 knots. So that's 1, that's 2. So I'm going to do that for all of them, and then I'm going to press my seam. And I'm going to press my seam towards the back. So that is what I'm going to do, and then when I come back I will show you the next step. Okay, so I have all of my darts ironed in place. Can you see it? And the next thing I'm going to do, and I have that for all of my pieces, all of them are ironed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put away the 2 back pieces just for now because I don't need them, and I'm going to work on the pockets for the 2 front pieces. Now that we have both pockets pinned in place, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch using a 1/2 inch, and then I will turn it over and I will top stitch on the pocket, not on the pants. So I'm going to do that now, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, so I have both of my pockets attached to the front of my pants, and now I'm going to top stitch both pockets. So all you do is make sure the facing is towards the pocket and not the pants, and then you're going to top stitch, and I'm going to do that for both of them. This is what I just did. I don't know if you could see that, but that is what top stitching does. It's probably kind of hard to see. Hopefully you can see that. Now I'm going to attach the rest of the pocket. I'm going to take our next 2 pocket pieces and we are going to put them together. So I'm going to do that for both of them, and when I'm done with that I will come back and show you the next step. So for you to get a cleaner finish, I'm going to pin wrong sides of the pocket together. This is the right side, so the wrong sides you're going to pin together, and you're going to sew it on the outside. So that is the pocket. You're going to sew all around the pocket using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then you are going to turn it inside, and then you're going to top stitch, and what you are going to end up with is a cleaner pocket. Then you are going to put a stitch here, and then you are going to put a stitch on this side as well, just a temporary stitch to hold it down, and then you should have a pocket. So I'm going to do that, and then when I'm done with that, I will come back and show you the next step. We have 2 pockets, as you can see. That's the inside of the pocket, and that is the outside of the pocket finished. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is stitch my front and back together, and I'm going to leave an opening. So I'm going to measure down from this point to this point, 7.5 inches, and I'm going to leave that open, and from where the 7.5 inches ends up until I get to about a 1/2 inch or so, I'm going to stop my stitch right there. Then I'm going to insert my zipper, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2 back pieces, put them together, same 1/2 inch or so that we left in the front. I'm going to leave that in the back. Going to stitch from where the top of my pants starts. I'm going to start off with 1 inch, and then I'm going to merge into a 1/2 inch. That always seems to work for me. When I come back, I will show you the next step. It's our zipper fly and our zipper shield, and as you can see, our zipper works, and my zipper happens to be long because that's the size zipper that I had, and I wanted to stick with the black. So when I'm done with the waistband, I will cut the rest of that off. I will just have to take my time going through the teeth so I don't break my needle. Pin this down quickly, and when I iron it down, I'm going to pin my pants together at the sides, and then I'm going to stitch it down, and then I'm also going to pin my pants together at the crotch or the inseam, and I will stitch from one side to the other side, and then from the middle again to the other side. So let me do that, and then I'll be right back. Show you the next step. I have my side seams I have my side seams sewn down. I know it's kind of hard because it's the black on black, and I also sewed my crotch or seams, or my inner seams down. So what I want you to do at this point, or what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to try on my pants and see if I need to make any adjustments, and then I will show you the next step. I have tried on my pants, and I have made the necessary adjustments. Now there are 2 steps left for us, and one would be to add our waist, and to add the waist, you put right sides to right sides, and you pin all around. Now, because I use this metal zipper and it's long, please be careful so that you don't break your needle. That won't be a pretty sight. Normally I use plastic, and normally I use the right size. After I am done with the waist, then I'm going to hem my pants. Going to turn it over 1 inch, and then 1 inch again, and then I will pin it down, and then I will sew it. So when I come back, I will show you the final result. Okay, this is it. This is the pant we have just finished sewing together. It doesn't take long to put together. Once you know what you are doing, it's that much easier. Okay, so this is the front of the pants, and this is the back of the pants. When you are testing your fabrics, you don't use the best fabric you have until you have made sure that you have ironed out all the kinks and the pattern fits you the way that you want it to fit you. And I still have 1 or 2 adjustments to make to this pants, but overall I like the pants and I'm happy with the fit. So remember, that is what you do. Remember, this is only a guide. Me showing you these pieces are guides. Remember, our bodies are different. Our heights are different. I'm short, you may be tall, you may be shorter than me. Structure of your body might be different from mine. So all of those things you have to take into consideration when you are using patterns. You have to modify to fit your body type, your height, your length, your width, whatever it is. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Come and join this family. Share my video with family and friends and all those persons who just love sewing or just want to be entertained. And make sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out anytime I drop a new video. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed.